HeyGen here. I love Lego, and if you love building super cool structures with Lego bricks, or if you love creating content using Lego, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to take any video and transform it into your own amazing Lego animation. It's super easy to do, so anyone can create their own Lego animation. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right in. Now go to domoai.app and click join our Discord. Hey, but if you've never tried Domo AI before, make sure to watch the video that's popping up on top. Click on any of their generate video channels. In the prompt box, type /video and hit enter. Drag and drop the source video you want to convert. The video should be 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds in length. You can type in a prompt to describe the video, but it's not really important since you're going to want to choose the refer to source video more option. They've updated with a ton of new models, but let me choose the Lego style. The source video is 5 seconds long, so I'll choose the Gen 5 seconds option and click start. The body form is very dynamic and shape-shifting, but you can still tell that it's a Lego animation. Not perfect, but it still looks great. But here are some tips that will help you produce better results. You'll have to try and avoid videos where there's too much talking or the facial features come out awkward. Fast movements can produce strange results with body parts being distorted into strange Lego shapes. And certain types of characters can produce totally weird results that just looks off. I found that using simple source videos produces the best results. Now let's look at some of the other latest styles by Domo AI. Here's a 2.5D illustration style, the PS2 game style, the American comic book style, and here's a Gordon Ramsay video in a clay style. Man, he's ugly. But Gordon does look better as a clay animation. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below.
This cheesecake is so straightforward.